Welcome to Retro Phone Show. Now, if you like rare or retro mobile phones, this is definitely the channel for you. Today we're going to be having a look at this BenQ Siemens Hello Kitty, and the model number is AL21. So what are we waiting for? Here we go! Here we have the BenQ Siemens Hello Kitty, and the model number is AL21, and this was actually released in 2006. Apparently it's very rare. So let's check out the box, and then we'll have a look at the phone and whatnot. Here's the front. Yeah. Right, let's have a look at the phone. Inside the contents. Here's the phone. We'll have a look at that now in a minute. We have the charger, which is just the basic Siemens charging plug. We have the battery. This is not the original battery because when I had this, I bought it for £30 and it was untested. It had no battery. So I had to take this off another Siemens and modify it a bit. And it works, but this one ain't the best either, but it should help us along this video, I hope. Right, we got some leaflets as well. And this phone is absolutely mint. Some more leaflets there. Right, let's have a look at the phone itself then. Yes, here's the front of him. Obviously we have the BenQ Siemens logo. We have the Hello Kitty logo. I know, it says Hello Kitty there. We have the buttons here. If we slide him up, we also got the buttons here. We have the speaker here. On the back here we have BenQ Siemens Hello Kitty, and we have the date on here as well, 2006. Yeah, we've actually got two dates on there. Originally when the Hello Kitty was made, and then when the phone was made. Yeah, very cool phone, very nice condition. I believe that these phones are very rare now, especially the Hello Kitty version is extremely rare. Right then, let's put the battery in here. Here's the back with no battery on. We have the battery connectors. This is actually unlocked to all 2G networks. So let's put the battery in now then. Yeah, he's in. Let's turn him on. You know what? Vodafone UK. Menu. Here we have the menus. No, do that again. So look what menus we've got here. Phone book. Call records. Fun and games. We have all the good stuff. Ringtones. Blah blah blah. Right then, let's try ringtones, is there? See if I can find the ringtones on here. Ringer settings, right? Right. Ringtones. Open. Here we are. Right, let's have a look at these ringtones then. Oh, hang on. Hang on. Here we are. I got it. I've done all these ones already. There are. There's all the ringtones, and you've got start melodies, end melodies, call screening, and all that good stuff. Obviously you have messages and all that. Right, let's try ringing him in, is it? See if we can ring him now. Right, a nice little phone lock, as you can see. He is stunning. I like it. Right then. Let's get my other phone and ring him. Just ring him now. Here we are. All working. All dine and dandy. And there you are. That is the BenQ Siemens Hello Kitty. And like I said, the model number is AL21. And this was released back in 2006. And like I said, I bought this phone for £30. I took a chance because the person said to me, well, I've had it there for years, and I checked the battery out years and years ago, they said. I disposed of the battery years and years ago. And so it was untested, but obviously they said it worked last time they used it. So I had to take a chance, and I managed to get a battery to fit it, and it worked. So you see that, but the screen to come on and off when it's on standby for so long, and then it stops then, like. But that's a weird feature. Handy if you were on missed calls and you didn't know. Obviously, if it comes on like that, you'd be able to see the screen and it'd show you. So yeah, I was really happy to get hold of this one. Very happy in this condition. It was very good. I was very lucky to get hold of this, really, in the actual condition it's in. As you can see, it's absolutely mint. Very good condition. And boxed as well. And now with a battery as well. So yeah, the battery is actually off another Siemens model, but it's more or less the same. So I just had to make it a little bit smaller so it fit in there. And a bit of a potch, but we got there in the end. And anyway, as always, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back pretty soon with another video. But until then, thank you very much, and bye!